Hey fragrance lovers, ever wanted to easily take your signature scent with you without carrying the whole bottle? These refillable perfume bottles are the answer. You can find them online. Let me show you how simple it is to refill this. First thing first, take the perfume you would want and take off the cap. Now the next part is the key. Carefully remove the atomizer spray head. Sometimes it just pops off, other times you might just need a gentle wiggle. Be careful not to break anything. Once the cap is off, grab your empty refillable bottle. See that little opening here? Let me show you guys here. Okay, that's where the magic happens. Align this opening directly onto the exposed stem of your perfume. Let me zoom it in. Okay, now press down firmly and steadily. You'll feel it connect. Start spraying your perfume in short bursts directly into the refillable bottle. Watch it fill up. Keep going until you've got the amount you needed. Once it's full, just pop the cap back on and your refillable perfume bottle is ready and you're good to go. Smell amazing, travel light, it is a win-win. Okay, this is already full, guys, as you guys can see. Okay, let's try another one. You guys can see it. Okay, this is full and we can try another fragrance just like this. Process is the same, but some of the fragrances, like for example aroma fragrances, you cannot just you can take off this, but it does not fit here. These bottles do not fit on the aroma, and some other fragrances, most of the aroma are like these, so you cannot do it with the aroma bottles. But mostly the bottles from other companies are easy and you can just grab them and take out the liquid in your empty bottle. We can try this one, Maison Alhambra Porto Neroli. Take the atomizer cap off, put the opening, align it with the perfume spray stem, and let's try. You guys can see it here. It is very simple and easy. So this is how you refill these empty refillable perfume bottles. They are very handy. You can take them wherever you want to go and just put this in your pocket and try to respray or want to try get whiff. This is easy and convenient. I do recommend these.